wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best composting bins. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Enviroworld freegarden earth might resemble an upside-down trash can, but that doesn't mean it's not effective for turning food and lawn scraps into nutrient-rich soil. Its lid twists on securely, preventing critters from entering through the top. It's got a retractable access door on the bottom and is a very low-maintenance design. However, animals can chew through the vent holes. At number 9, the compact OXO Good Grips Easy Clean offers convenience and style, with a removable hinge top that contains odors. It's available in your choice of 4 attractive color combinations as well. It can be opened with one hand, but note that dishwashers can damage the lid, and the interior gets stained over time. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Good Ideas Wizard Jr. comes fully assembled, and its black exterior absorbs heat from the sun to expedite the process. It's well ventilated thanks to air holes on both sides. A drain allows for liquid runoff, and it holds over 50 gallons. However, some find it cumbersome to turn. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for composting bins, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Yinbi Tumbler comprises 2 chambers, so you can designate one for fresh waste and the other for material that's further along in the process. It's made from sturdy recycled plastic with adjustable air vents. The sliding doors open easily and it rotates to speed up decomposition, but assembly is quite difficult. Moving up our list to number 6, the Algreen product Soil Saver produces rich fertilizer and has a robust plastic construction and sliding doors for quick removal. Since it has no bottom, you will need to place it on a patio or hard surface if you want to include kitchen scraps. Its large holes maximize airflow and it loads from the top for easy access. It's good value for the price. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Worm Factory 360 offers a simple means of vermicomposting and circulates air well in order to work efficiently. It incorporates 4 trays and can be expanded to hold 8 for whenever you need some extra room. It includes a handy instructional guide and a worm tea collection spout, but it is too heavy to lift easily when wet. At number 4, the Jarrah Tumbler JK270 is made of durable powder-coated steel with a pair of easy-access compartments and a sturdy stand that makes rotation a breeze. The 2 doors seal securely with a latch to prevent rodents and other pests from getting inside. It sports a handsome green finish and a rust-resistant galvanized body. It's insulated to retain heat. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Utopia Kitchen 0051 can hold several days' worth of food waste on your countertop, while its charcoal filters keep odors at bay. This stylish choice is made of stainless steel and complements most modern appliances nicely. The material resists bacteria growth and it's equipped with a comfortable carrying handle. It won't scratch or chip. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for composting bins, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Vermi Hut Plus allows worms to make their way up through the 5 trays as they eat food scraps, leaving rich castings behind. Its lid has been redesigned to provide better moisture control while keeping out unwanted fruit flies. It's constructed from recycled plastic and comes with ant trappers and a built-in drain spigot. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the EnviroCycle E20C is made in the United States of food-grade, rust-resistant and UV-resistant materials. It's built like a tank, yet boasts a low profile that will blend in anywhere, and you can choose one in a neutral black or a fun hot pink. It's very easy to rotate, and the base collects the liquid fertilizer. It's great for small decks in urban homes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for composting bins, or simply click beneath this video.